Are you on probation and wondering if moving out of state could violate your terms? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll explain how moving out of state can affect your probation and what steps to take to avoid a violation. I'm Hieu, a criminal defense attorney in Orange County. I've helped clients navigate the complexities of probation, including situations involving relocation. Let me break down what you need to know. If you're on probation and considering moving out of state, or if you were on probation and you just needed to get away from everything and have already moved out of state and have a warrant hanging over your head, contact me today to ensure you stay compliant or remove the warrant and avoid any type of unnecessary trips back to court. Probation often includes specific conditions, such as regular check-ins with the probation officer, completing community service, or attending court-ordered programs. Moving out of state without court approval may violate these terms, as it could prevent you from fulfilling these obligations. However, reality says that sometimes when we want to get away from things and trouble, we can move out of state and completely cut ourselves off. Unfortunately, that's what it takes a lot of times to stay out of trouble. And believe it or not, a lot of people have done it. However, not everybody does this. To do it the right way and move out of state, you must first obtain permission from the court and your probation officer. This typically involves filing a formal request and providing valid reasons for the move, such as employment or family obligations. If approved, the court may transfer your probation supervision to the new state under the Interstate Compact for Adult Offender Supervision. This allows the receiving state to oversee your probation. Moving without approval can result in a probation violation, leading to a warrant for your arrest, additional penalties including fines or jail time, or revocation of your probation, requiring you to serve the original sentence. It's important, in order to avoid a violation, to communicate openly with your probation officer about your intentions to relocate. File all necessary paperwork and attend any required court hearings. Continue fulfilling your probation terms, such as paying fines or attending programs even after moving. An experienced attorney can assist in requesting court approval for your move, negotiating terms, and ensuring a smooth transfer of probation supervision. Alternatively, an experienced attorney can also recall the warrant and negotiate with the court on your behalf. Lots of things could happen, especially if you moved out of state for drug issues or getting in trouble too much. The more time that has elapsed and you have stayed out of trouble is even better. If you've already moved out and are facing a violation, your attorney can help resolve the issue and minimize penalties. Remember, moving out of state while on probation is possible, but it requires proper approval to avoid violations and serious consequences. To recap, moving out of state on probation requires court and probation officer approval. Unauthorized relocation can result in severe penalties, including revocation of probation. Working with an attorney ensures you navigate the process correctly and protect your rights, thus avoiding any type of warrants or recalling them, and making sure that your penalties are minimal. If you're on probation or you are considering relocating or already have relocated out of state without permission, contact me today. We'll work together to ensure your move is compliant and stress-free.